Hello everyone, this is Daniel with uGenesys, and today I have another amazing 1-minute scalping strategy with a very high win rate.
And remember, if you're a beginner, having a trade manager to automatically take care of challenges like managing lot sizes and keeping you from overtrading and losing money can be a huge bonus for you. And we have just what you need with our trade management software called Market Keys. And also, if you're new and just don't know what to trade or when to trade, we have the perfect solution for you with our uGenesys Trend software, which gives you daily alerts for the most profitable trading opportunities. To learn more about these two products and their amazing benefits, you can click on the link in the description.
So we're going to start off with a gold chart with a 1-minute time frame. And the first indicator that we'll use is called Bollinger Bands B. Let's go ahead and type that in. And here it is. This is the one we want. And let's make some adjustments here. So let's go to settings, inputs, and let's change the length to 50 and the standard deviation to 1.8. Now let's go to style, and we're going to make some color changes here. So for the Bollinger Bands, let's change the color to white, and let's make it a thicker line. And the overbought, let's make it a bright green, and we'll also make it a thicker line as well, and also make it a solid line here. For the middle band, we're going to make it blue, and we're also going to make it a thicker line and also a solid line as well. And finally, for the oversold, we're also going to make it bright green with a thicker line and also solid. There we go, and then hit OK. So whenever this white line goes above the blue line here, then we know that we're in an uptrend, and whenever the white line is below the blue line, then we can see we're in a downtrend, okay? Now for our second indicator, we're going to type in black flag, no spaces. And you should see it come up here, swing arm ATR trend indicator, and you see it has this EP here for editor's pick, alright? So that means it's a very accurate indicator on TradingView. Now let's go to settings, and then style. And we're just going to uncheck all of these boxes here going down. Then we'll just leave these boxes here that say plots background checked, okay? And then let's go to inputs, and we're going to change the ATR factor to 2. Hit OK. So you can see we have these clouds here, the green clouds and the red clouds. So whenever the clouds are green, then we know that we're in an uptrend, and when they are red, then we know we're in a downtrend, okay? And for our third indicator, we're going to go and type in MACD. Here it is, moving average convergence divergence, and we're going to go to settings and style, and we're going to uncheck the histogram and the zero line, and also we're going to change the color of the MACD to yellow, and then we'll change the color of the signal to pink. Okay, there we go. So with this indicator, whenever the yellow line is above the pink line, then we know that we're in the uptrend, and whenever the pink line is above the yellow line, then we know we're in a downtrend. Okay, so let's take a look at our chart, and we can see right here that our black flag indicator has a green cloud. We can see the Bollinger Bands. The line is now going above, the white line is going above the blue line in this case, and down here we have the yellow line above the pink line. Okay, so we can see right here would be a very good buy signal. And also right here you can see that the pink line is above the yellow line for our MACD indicator, and the white line is below the blue line here for the Bollinger Bands indicator. And with our black flag indicator, we have our red cloud, and we can see the market going down. Okay, so right here would be a good position to take up a sell position at this time. Here's another section where we can see we have the white line going above the blue line here for our Bollinger Bands indicator. Our black flag indicator, we see the green cloud here. And if you take a look here, we can see our yellow line is above the pink line for our MACD indicator. So here's another good buy signal. And take a look over here as well. We can see that the black flag indicator is red, indicating the downtrend. We see that the white line is going below the blue line here for our Bollinger Bands, and the pink line is now above the yellow line here for our MACD indicator. So we know this would be a great sell signal at this point. Here's a section of the chart where the yellow line is above the pink line. Our white line is going above the blue line here, and we can see the green clouds here, so we know this would be a great buy signal right here. And if you take a look right here, we see we have the red clouds from our black flag indicator. The white line is going below the blue line for our Bollinger Bands indicator, and the pink line is above the yellow line for the MACD. So we know this is a great sell signal right here. So you can see this is really an amazing strategy here, guys, and hopefully you could get some profitable trades using this method, okay? So thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.